Thank you. It wasn't easy.
I know.
Well, go over by Dad.
What is it?
Go by Dad.
Dad.
Dad, stop being a control
Yeah.
freak.
Here I am. Are you? Oh, I see the back. Oh, oh my God. How beautiful. Oh my God.
Let me help you hold
Look
that
at
so you
this,
can.
yeah. Oh my God.
Mom.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Yep, it sure is.
Oh, can I put it right up there?
You can put it anywhere you want.
You can put it wherever you want.
But how about that wall that I've needed something forever?
Okay.
Here,
I gotta look
give
at
it a
it
little.
first.
Ooh, but this wall?
Yeah.
I think it might be too long for that.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
See, I was looking at your.
just hold it there, and I want to look at you. Oh. Oh, wonderful.
Yeah, that'd be good.
How wonderful.